Hey everybody. Well, today we're gonna open this brand new M12 fuel electric cordless ratchet. That's right. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. I don't know about you guys, but this is the beefier one. It says it's got a lot more torque than that. It says it's got up to 55 pounds of torque right there on the box. And so it should be good. It should be good. Stand by. Let me get this battery open. So I also got this 2.5 lithium battery. Let me see here. Thought I had a knife. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, I got one. I got one. Let's see here. Man, they make these things bulletproof, huh? Man. Do any of you guys know anybody that's gotten really hurt from opening one of these? Because, man, it's a close call every single time. All right. 25% more power and 25% cooler running time. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Man, this thing has some weight on it. Oh, look at that nice light there. This is heavy. Got a safety switch. Oh, look at that. Lock it, unlock it. Oh, man. So it's not really fast, but apparently really strong. Oops, wrong size.